Barings Asia Future Growth Equity Fund offers a gateway to Asia's dynamic growth potential. Since its inception in 1996, the fund has successfully navigated numerous market challenges, including the Asian financial crisis, the IT bubble, and the global financial crisis, maintaining consistent operations for 30 years.
For the past decade, in particular, we've weathered some of Asia's toughest market storms: the 2015 China stock market crash, trade war disruptions in 2018, the COVID outbreak in 2020, and the 2022 correction driven by geopolitical tensions.
In 2015, China's A shares burst, wiping out nearly 40% of the market within a few months. While many fled to safety, we leaned into our bottom-up, fundamental-driven approach, focusing on Asia's new economy and companies riding long-term trends like digitalization, e-commerce, and athleisure.
By 2018, the US-China trade tensions were disrupting global supply chains. We pivoted toward businesses anchored in domestic consumption and innovation. Healthcare and consumer brands across Asia showed resilience, supported by strong local demand and demographic tailwinds.
In 2020, the COVID outbreak brought unprecedented disruption to global economies and supply chains, prompting monetary and fiscal stimulus measures. Against this backdrop, we remained disciplined with our bottom-up investment approach, identifying companies poised to benefit from structural shifts such as digital adoption, e-commerce, and online entertainment and cloud services.
In 2022, the Russian-Ukraine war triggered inflation and capital flights from emerging markets. Yet, we stayed focused on structural growth. Select EV suppliers stood out due to their solid earnings and diversified supply chains, while consumer staples in Southeast Asia contributed notably to performance, supported by rising middle-class spending.
Since its launch, the fund has stayed true to its core approach: deep bottom-up research and a long-term focus on structural growth. As markets evolved, we shifted our core focus from heavy industry to technology, keeping pace with changing trends. This disciplined strategy has helped us to navigate volatility and seize opportunities to deliver sustainable results.
Looking ahead, we remain constructive on the long-term outlook for Asian equities. Our confidence is anchored in the region's strong, self-sustaining domestic growth and its pivotal role in global supply chains.
These structural strengths position Asia well to deliver resilient performance and navigate near-term volatility. While short-term risks may lead to market fluctuations, we view these dislocations as attractive entry points for long-term investors seeking growth opportunities.
Asia's middle class is booming. By 2030, 2/3 of the world's middle-class population will be in Asia. This demographic shift is fueling powerful new waves of consumption, especially among millennials and Gen Z. Their evolving lifestyles and digital habits are creating investment opportunities across the region.
Asia is a global leader in technology. The region accounts for more than half of the world's semiconductor sales and is at the forefront of AI-driven demand. Automation and robotics are expanding rapidly, especially as aging populations increase the need for manufacturing efficiency.
Recent global events and trade uncertainties have accelerated supply chain diversification and reshoring, benefiting Asian manufacturers.
At the same time, sustainability is a defining theme. Asia is investing heavily in green energy, infrastructure, and climate resilience, responding to global decarbonization trends and rising demand for low-carbon energy and electric vehicles.
Barings Asia Future Growth Equity Fund focuses on these transformative trends. With a proven track record since 1996, the fund identifies high-growth companies in Asia's manufacturing and technology sectors.
The strategy targets companies with unrecognized earnings growth potential, strong fundamental, and quality franchise.